Grabe. Masalin ng tayo ko.
Ingat mo. Tab. Oh. Godsend. Ano naman?
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
Tentang hanggang.
Initiate retreat.
Hey.
Bakit?
Tugma yung combo nila, gago. Ito, galit mo. Adet.
Your whole body
Nice
is a
one.
weak
Sige lang, sige lang. Buhay pa ako. Bumubuhay ako.
First blood.
No? Bumuk pa na yun. Sabay flicker sa tower. Okay, okay. Yung zilong.
Nothing scares me, not even death.
Tawi rin.
It would take an
Gago,
army
level
to
2 pa yung
stop
Alucard
me.
natin. Wag kang mag-farm ba? Zeke, Zilong. Bigay mo yan sa Alu. Bossing naman. Kitang-kita na ng level 2 pa lang eh.
Request backup.
Bossing. Lahin mo, boss. Ako, walang first kill. Sayang yun, boss. Papunta na yung Tigreal, boss, ha? Doon lang, huwag kang makita to.
Future awaits us.
Hindi pa level 4 core natin. Ito lang. Ay, yung Alu. Ayan. Ay, hindi ko umabot. Lang. Gago.
Tranquil as a
Tara.
poem, but raging within.
The
Boss.
enemy has slain the turtle.
Gago, may 18 kill.
Enemy double kill.
Yung lalim sa mga tap. Engage muna. Ay, kaya naman pala. Low na yan kasi lahat.
Happiness is found
Triple kill.
from within, not in others.
Wala pang ulti, MM. Kaka-ulti na.
It would take an
Wait lang po.
army to stop me.
Ay, flicker na yung MM.
Initiate retreat.
Ito may tigil. May
Light,
tigil.
be righteous.
Initiate retreat.
Gilang, gilang. Ito. Nag-i-break na naman yung mga... Wala ka.
Slain an enemy.
Nice one.
Killing spree.
Like lang po.
An enemy has been slain.
Only
Yeah.
the fearless heart can soar to the heavens.
Ano naisip mo? Out na. May suyo pa, punta na.
Retreat.
Ihook ko lang. Ito, red niya. Out na. Wala pong ulti. Turtle ah, ingat MM. Ay, gago, nakapag ano. 9 seconds, wait lang. Natigil mo na. Gusto ka lapitin.
Retreat is never an option.
Slain an enemy.
Ito, dito. Ako, wait. Patay ba? Patay tayo. Hindi na. Hindi pa namatay yun.
Arm yourself and stand by me.
Our turret has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Oh, di ba? Nakakap. Lamang yung ano sa akin. Tawag nito.
Ally has been slain.
Nothing scares me.
Double
Eh,
kill.
Tigreal, boss.
Nako, may
Sa baba, sa baba.
lane mo na lang ano.
Initiate
Okay.
retreat.
And then, nalay mo.
Mag-farm pag di ba pag level 15 mo ano.
You decide.
Bigay mo sa kanya lahat.
Mag-farm.
20 seconds yung feature ko ah. Pero may ulti na ako.
Your impudence will not be
10
tolerated.
steps.
Side step yung palala.
3, 2, 1.
Tara, turtle pwede.
Initiate retreat.
Yan, Tigreal.
Killing spree. Our turret is under attack.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Kailangan ko mag-atina sa ano.
Ally is not ready.
Flicker. Nice one.
Slain.
Oh, Tori muna, Tori. Oh. Pag
Understood.
isa lang ba magic sa
Nothing
kanila?
scares me. Not even death.
Ingat ha, may Uranus. Ulit.
Ally has been slain.
Ay, fuck. Sobrang advanced na.
Your team destroyed.
Nice one, boss.
Double kill.
Nice one. The blue buff niya, oh, sayang. Nice one, Ziling. Magaling naman si Ziling eh.
I am one
Sige,
with
boss.
my speed.
Ay, sorry, nahook ko. Boss,
Initiate
sorry,
retreat.
boss, sorry.
Sorry.
Hindi yun KS. Kill secure. Andito pa yan eh. Ha? Wala pa akong ulti, boss. Sorry nga, nag-hook lang.
Launch attack. Understood.
Umatras. Umatras ka kasi. Ay,
Your
fuck.
impudence
potion.
will not be tolerated.
Flame push.
Out na muna.
It would take an
Napapicture
army
tuloy
to
ako.
stop me.
Ingat na, wag magpapatay. Magkakalert,
Weapons
magkakalert.
are meant to protect.
Hindi lang, magpapatay.
Nagpaplangot ko.
Kung makita ka niyan, promise ko sa'yo. Nice one, Odette.
Slain.
A bright future.
Pwede itong bigyan, no? Solo lang to eh.
Godlike.
Tara, turtle kayo.
Zone tayo, Zilong.
Your whole body is a weak spot.
Nako, nasa pilit.
Legendary.
Yan.
Ally has slain more.
Zilong naman eh. Umiyak agad. Nakuha lang yung kill.
Raging within.
Isa lang naman ito. Ito, may ano.
Gago.
Shut down. Ally has been slain.
Now I am one with my spear. Retreat or death. You decide.
Hoy, jumpsuit.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay,
Patay.
An enemy has been destroyed.
Parang pinasal tayo dun ulit. Sabay tayong humiga.
Our turret is under attack.
Huwag mo ultihan yung tank
An
lang.
army to stop me.
Hindi mo talaga yan mabiburst. Sister. Ay, kaya pala kailangan ko ng antikiras para sa suyo.
Be mighty.
Gangsi. Naka-regent armor na kasi yung tank nila.
Only the fearless heart can soar to
boy.
Out na boss. Kaya, papunta na dyan sa'yo lahat.
Nakakuha ka na ng ano eh. Nakakuha ka na ng isang
Alam mong walang tao sa mapa. Nasa baba, boss. Dito na lang, boss.
Ally has been slain.
Pinok ko lang yung tip mo para lang guys ha.
Initiate retreat.
arm yourself and stand by me.
Pinok pa ng bata pa ako.
Our turret is under attack.
Ako maganda. Pero mga lagi pulang-pula sa babol ka na pinaka.
Tranquil as a poem, but raging within.
16 seconds pa yung ulti guys. Naka-immortality na.
ay gago.
Our
Talaga.
turret is under attack.
Nothing scares
patay na
me,
yan.
not even death.
Abusado kasi yan. Ingat lang baka mag...
Ay gago.
Initiate retreat.
Hey! Ba't agad?
An enemy has been slain.
Tangina mo. Tatakas. Dito. Sige, Lord kayo.
Wait lang.
Happiness is found
Push,
from
tsaka
within,
push. Zilong.
not in others.
Wala yung corner na wala.
Baka nandito da.
Baka nandito.
Nice one.
Ally has slain.
Bahala ka pag kumuha, gago ka.
Doon si Madara.
Heroes never fade.
Flow lang.
The whole body is a weak spot.
Your team destroyed. Initiate retreat.
Sit. Sabay sa Lord. Flow lang.
Destroy the turret.
Halo. Lalim na dyan, boss.
Nothing
Flow lang tayo sa Lord.
not even
Initiate
death.
retreat.
Ano lang yung nagtatank build lang yung Uranus. Walang damage din.
It would take an army to stop.
Ingat sa set ha.
Heroes never fade.
Push ka lang dyan, MM. Kami yung maganda.
Tranquil as a poem,
Team destroyed the turret. Initiate retreat.
Yun lang, magsiset yung tank eh. Alam ko yung nasa utak mo eh. Gusto niya ng miracle set. Out na muna.
body is a weak spot.
Out na muna, lalim, promise. Pero pag mapilit ka, content. Patay pa ako, wisit.
Slow. Nice one.
Niligtas din yung kabilang buhay ko. Endable ata, may minions ba?
Oh, not ready.
May pagyayabang ko lang sa'yo. Ganda mo pa. Kay Spider. Spider.
It would take an army to stop me.
Oh,
Victory!
nakakaputang na. I love you to the bone. Take me home alone. Let me tell you can tell Malcolm. Boss, huwag ka umalis, boss. Kailangan namin nalo card mo. Nag-offline na daw siya. Okay. Sigayit na pala siya. Glory. Hanap tayo ng magkukor. I have to meet